What's up, guys? ICRC83 here, back. Got some trucks with me here, as you can see. Notorious, Kagama, U.D.R, and 8XTE. All different types. But unfortunately, it's a little misty and wet out. It was sprinkling and almost raining on my way down. And then when I got here, I realized that over there, they're setting up tents and stuff right where I usually bash. So that's kind of a bummer. So we'll see what we can get into. Maybe use the track more today. Maybe I can even take the U.D.R on the track. That'd be kind of fun. I hooked up this Traxxas Link system last night. Let's see. That should pair it. There we go, connected. All right. Here to proceed with the firmware update. Okay. Begin. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. All right. It's all set. It says please power the transmitter and the vehicle off and back on to complete the update. Turn that back on. Dashboard. All right. So you really couldn't do this live because you can't hold your phone while doing the truck at the same time. But I guess you can get a readout of the peak performance afterwards. So that'll be cool. So it's got the battery on there. The temp, that's pretty interesting. Let's see if the lights turn on and off. Oh, cool. You can windshield. You can individually do the lights. That's awesome. All right, so we got the front low ones and the top low ones. Make the tops bright, the bottoms bright. That's sick. Okay, I like that. Little more adjustability here. Let's see what else we got. There's a tack. Interesting, they have a tachometer. I don't really get that. You can record that stuff. See what else. I think that's drive effects. Okay, you can change. Here's where you can adjust the ESC. That's good. Steering, brake, throttle sensitivity. All right, cool. Well, it worked. So I'll put a link in the description for that Traxxas Wireless Module, and that's probably a good bet to get if you got this truck. So just gonna have a little fun on this track. Not gonna be doing those jumps, but I'll just have some fun and see how it goes. Not really a track truck, obviously, but could be fun. All right, we're going the wrong way. That's cool. Yeah, so it's just kind of fun to play around on a track like this. You obviously can't do the jumps, but you can have kind of fun on these little jumps where they just soak up the ground easily. And slide around like that. That's always fun. Oop. That's cool. Love the soft suspension. Oh. That's what this truck's about, sliding it. You gotta be like Ken Block over here, drifting. Ooh. That hurt. This is what happens when I go too fast. That's so awesome. Drifter style. Look how dirty. So I'm gonna check the readout on this Bluetooth and see what I can get. So did it, I might have had to record it actually. The temperature should be way higher than that. The battery should be lower. Seems like I'm missing something here. So it says top speed, it was 41. Instant replay. How do you go to instant replay? Here we go. Is this it? Huh. Well, I don't know how to see the, I'll have to do some research, I guess. Let me know in the comments if you know more about this thing. So, looks like I did a little damage to the body here on the side. It got definitely dirty. But that power sliding and just drifting, oh man, that's so fun. Learning how to move the momentum with the suspension and be able to just carry the truck is a definite skill, and one that takes some practice to get the hang of. I'm still getting the hang of it myself, but it's so fun. I want to keep at it. So hope you guys enjoyed that U.D.R on the track.